sick and tired of the same old rubbish bin? This one's for you. Hi guys, welcome to Hampton, your house. My name is Belle, and if you're looking to bring the Coastal Hamptons vibe to your house, you've definitely come to the right place. I would love for you to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and the notification bell, and stick around and check out some of my other videos for more ways to Hampton your house. I would also like to say a quick thank you to Caroline from 27 East and the Long Island News Group for writing an article about my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Caroline. I was very honoured. I'll leave a link to Caroline's lovely article in the description box below, and you can also catch up with all the local news from the Hamptons through the same link at the 27 East website. It's definitely worth a look. Well, today I have a simple DIY for you. I'm going to do a Coastal Hamptons makeover of my kitchen rubbish bin, which has definitely seen better days. We've had this bin for years, and we'd actually got a nice new white powder-coated metal bin, but they just don't make them like they used to, and the lid had broken off within a few months. I've found it so hard to find a rubbish bin that I like and that looks strong enough to last, so we've been using our old bin again, and I finally decided it was time to give it a facelift. I got the design inspiration for this makeover from coastal designer brands Serena and Lily and their gorgeous Sebastopol stool. I hope I said that right. I just love the look of the fresh white with the solid navy on the bottom, and I thought this style would be worth a try for my project. I'll link to the Serena and Lily stool below so you can check it out. Leave a comment below and let me know, what do you call your kitchen bin? Rubbish bin, trash can, garbage can, waste basket, or something else? This bin is very old, and it has permanent stains and discoloration from a sticker on it. But of course it's also just dirty from everyday use, so I'm going to give it a really good scrub with some sugar soap. Dishwashing liquid or another disinfectant cleaner would be fine too. Some of the marks just wouldn't come off no matter what, so it's a good candidate for painting. Once it was dry, I decided the pedal didn't need painting, so I wrapped it in a plastic bag and painter's tape. Now it's time for some plastic spray primer to give the paint the very best possible chance of adhering to the surface. You might want to also sand your bin with a very fine sandpaper before you do this to help the paint adhere, and then make sure you wipe off all the dust before you start spraying. Once it's all sprayed, pop something under the lid to hold it up while it dries. Now it's time for the white spray paint. Make sure you follow the directions on each individual can. Sometimes they have different drying times and different lengths of time you need to wait before recoating. You can do as many coats as you need to cover it. Just make sure you only do thin coats. I made the mistake of spraying too much in one area all at once, and if you do that, the paint might either run or look a bit crackly. I did 3 coats of white paint. Once your white paint is all dry, grab a ruler and a pencil, measure up about 15 centimetres and make little marks all the way around the bin. Place your ruler along the marks as a guide, and then put your painter's tape down and press it down very well once you're sure it's in a very straight line. Next, grab a big rubbish bag and put it over the top half of the bin and secure it just above the straight taping line, making sure there are no spots left where the paint could get through. Now it's time for our first coat of navy spray paint. To do around the pedal area, grab an extra spray can to prop up the lid, which will hold the pedal down. Then you should be able to cover that area well. I did 2 coats of navy, but possibly could have gone a third. Once it's all dry, you can remove the bags and the tape. Remove your straight line of painter's tape slowly and carefully. Last of all, grab a gloss top coat and give it a couple of good coats for durability, and once it's dry, we're all done. Here's the before and after. I know this was kind of an unusual project, but I'm so happy with my rubbish bin now. It looks 100% better than it did before. And it now actually looks fresh, stylish, and coastal. I would definitely recommend giving this project a try if you want to give your bin a new look, or even if you just can't find a bin that suits your style or color scheme. This is a great way to customize it to fit your space. I'd love to hear what you think. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're gonna give it a try. Well guys, that's it for today. I'll be back again soon with some more Coastal Hamptons inspiration. But until then, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Stick around and check out some of my other DIYs. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye guys.